Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new cleaning video and we are going to be tackling my grandma's kitchen today, and I'm just doing a spring deep clean wipe down of all of her cabinets. I'm not going to be cleaning them out today because she actually wants me to do that a different day. So if you guys would like to see that, you guys will have to let me know. But I'm just going to be wiping down the fronts of the cabinets because they haven't been done for a long time, so I'm going to be doing that. And then I'm also going to be wiping down the countertops and the appliances, but I actually forgot to film me wiping down the refrigerator, so that was the only one that I didn't get to show, but I did wipe everything else down really good. So that is all that is going to be in this video today. It's just a good wipe down. Then I'm also going to be cleaning her ceiling fan as well. So you guys will have to let me know if you like these types of videos. I know a lot of you guys get really excited when I upload a new cleaning video and it gives you some motivation. So I hope you guys find some motivation in this video, and stay tuned because I do have a new camper cleaning video coming, and I actually wiped down the whole entire camper. So if you guys are excited to see that video, it will be next. And I hope you guys enjoy this one, and be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new. I post vlogs, I do cleaning videos, cooking videos, family style, lifestyle hauls, and every once in a while I'll do some beauty videos. So if you guys are interested in that, you should definitely stick around. And thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. So I'm not going to talk anymore and let you guys continue to watch this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Yeah, I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me, it's just fired. I see you go down, yeah, I see you go down. I see you go down, yeah, I see you just fired. It's just fired. On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around.
reflecting bright green, reds and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. In the quiet, all my thoughts run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I fire in my heart, yeah.
Time stops when I'm falling for you. The world stops spinning. My head is spinning too. Time stops when I'm falling for you. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop head spinning too.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I let